Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 6 chapter number 8 farming problems in Pakistan. As we have completed this whole chapter, today we will do its exercise. It is page number 39. Let's start. Question number 1 is, why do you think mechanization is impractical on small farms? And the answer of question number 1 is, large-scale mechanization is impractical on small plots because of such problems as turning the equipment round, getting from tiny plot to tiny plot. The headland is wasted as machines take considerable space to turn round, impossible on the small plots. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2 is, why is so much more fertilizers needed on farms today? And its answer is, more fertilizer is needed as heavier crops are grown, which are expected to feed increasing population. More crops such as cotton being grown, soil generally not very rich is exhausted by constant heavy cropping. Natural fertilizers from animals and plants are not adequate. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3 is, Sindh is the largest consumer of fertilizer, followed by the Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan. Why do you think Sindh needs more fertilizers? And its answer is, Sindh needs more fertilizers than the other provinces because of the greater use of land for farming, depleting it of its natural goodness, and because of the water logging and salinity that have affected the soil, especially in the Indus Delta, where the sea has replaced the receding river. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4. What are the 3 main problems for agriculture that Pakistan faces? And its answer is, main problems that Pakistan faces with regard to agriculture are, number 1, small farms, number 2, low quality seeds, number 3, water shortage, number 4, waterlogging and salinity. This is the answer of question number 4. Today we have completed this whole chapter with its exercise. In our next video we will discuss the next chapter. Allah Hafiz.